was a neighbor that had his crawl space done, and he recommended Advanced Basements to me. Well, we contacted Advanced Basement, and Jeff came to the house and sat down with us, Linda and I, and asked us what our issues were. And we explained to him our concerns about the crawl space. And Jeff went down into the basement and took his measurements and did his observations and came back up and sat with us and explained his recommendations and went through what he thought was what should be done, and explained the price and everything, and we agreed to go ahead with the work. We didn't receive other quotes or contact another company. We had been recommended by other neighbors of individuals that had done some work in their crawl spaces, but we wanted a company like Advanced Basements that would back up their work with warranties. It was very painless for us. When Advanced we made an appointment, and they came on the day they said they would, and I basically showed them the crawl space access, and they came in and started the work, and there was no real interruption to our lives or to, anything we were doing inside the house. The crew came in, did their work, and left everything in a completely finished state. They cleaned up after themselves and took away all any excess debris or whatever, and we were very pleased with the state of things after they were finished. Overall, we haven't lived in the house more than a year, so we didn't have any historical reference, but certainly we felt that the house seemed better, the odors were better, and of course the most noticeable improvement for me was the access into the crawl space was multiple times better than it was previous to the work Advanced Basement did. And to go down there now and access changing the furnace filter and servicing the ERV is a pleasure compared to what it was before. Very pleased with the service and the work and the value we got from Advanced Basements.